traders, this is Day Trader Matt with a businesswithtrading.com doing an E-mini trading room recap for Monday the 8th of April. And today the market's basically opened up in line, chopped around a little bit, ran a little lower, and then came a little higher. Basically just went sideways after that. Today we had 4 trades. We were 3 for 1. And we pulled 7 points or 28 ticks out of the market. So definitely not a bad day at all. After the market opened, we kind of watched it a little bit. And as it came down here, we did get long. The market came up. We were able to take a little profit. Then it came back and stopped us out on the remainder. And then the market did come down a little more. It chopped around a little bit. And we did take a long over here. Rode that up, took a little profit, and when it came down we added to it, and that turned out to be a mistake in hindsight. As we can see, the market came down and stopped us out. That was our loss. So we took a little profit and then took a loss. Then the market kind of found the little bottom here, chopped around a little, came up, and we actually got long down here, and we were able to ride that up and ride that up a little bit, taking profits up here. And then we saw it come up a little more, and right around this area is where we got short. And the market came down, we took profit, came up, we added, took profit, added, took profit, and did that quite a bit, taking some money out of this. So and with all of that, we got 7 points out of the market. Definitely not bad at all. If you look at it, $50 per point, you're looking at $350 on the day. Definitely not too bad at all on 4 trades, which is, a little much for us. Usually we average about 2 to 3 trades per day. A lot of days we'll have only 1 trade. 4 trades is towards the top of what we do. Usually 4, 5, 6 trades a day is definitely a little much. But when you have the trades and when it looks like a good trade, you definitely do want to take it, and that's what we did, and it definitely worked out fairly well. If we didn't have that loss, we would have over 10 points easily. But losses are part of the game, and it's something that you have to learn to accept. Losses are going to happen, and some people like losses, some people don't like losses. And I know that might seem a little counterintuitive when I say that people like losses. You're probably thinking, why in the world would I want to have a loss? Why would I like a loss? Well, losses, they keep you grounded for one, so you don't really develop an ego or anything like that. But also, like, you can learn from your losses, and when you have a loss, you can learn from it. You can learn from your wins as well, but your losses, you usually can learn a little bit more from. Sometimes you can learn quite a bit from your winners, but hopefully you understand what I'm trying to say here. Like this one here, we added to it, the market came up and then came down. When we added, it fell and stopped us out, and that's what I'm saying. I can look back at that and see why I took that loss. And the goal would be to eliminate losses completely, but that's an impossible goal. It will never happen. But that won't stop me from trying. I can eliminate as much as possible. And you can see in my results, if you look at the previous videos and whatnot, I don't take that many losses. Now there are some days where I just get totally hammered and lose money, and that happens. But for the most part, and looking at the results, I'm positive every month. Now some months aren't that great, like early last year was horrible. But that's what happens. It goes with the game, and you have to learn to roll with the punches, and that's basically what the market is. you're just having punches thrown at you, and you have to be able to take the correct one. And when they throw the right punch, if you dodge and punch them in the right place, you're going to win the fight. And that's basically what trading is in a nutshell. So anyway, hopefully that made sense a little bit. And as I go forward, like I was doing last week, whenever we do make a nice options trade, I'll highlight a couple of them in these videos, just to show what I'm doing and how everything works and all of that. So anyway, hopefully you enjoyed the video. You can definitely email me directly if you want. support@abusinesswithtrading.com. No such thing as a dumb question, only the one that's not asked. So if you have a question, definitely ask it. That's what I'm here for. You can also leave a question under the video if you want. If you enjoy it, share it with your friends. Definitely would appreciate that. And with that, have an awesome night, and I'll see you back in the markets. Thank you.